Hey, what's up guys, it's the Code Brothers here, and today I'm going to be guiding you through the Code School course on Ruby, which is pretty simple. I've already done it once, but I'm going to repeat it and go with you guys so I can help you out. So, as you can see, I'm already signed in, but normally there would be another button here that says get your free account. That's another thing I like about Code School is that all their stuff is, most of their stuff is free. And it's all really useful, and you can learn it pretty quickly because of the way that they teach it, and you'll see that in a minute. Also, I would recommend helping them out with net neutrality because there wouldn't be sites like Code School without it, and it's being threatened right now, and a lot of the internet is fighting for it, so I would definitely recommend doing that. This might be over by the time you're watching this, but so they have HTML, JavaScript, Ruby, Elixir, .NET, PHP, Python, Git, database, iOS, and electives. So these are all great courses. I know I already know a little bit of HTML, and I know a little bit of JavaScript, and I finished Ruby course on Codecademy, which if you haven't checked out our Codecademy course, you should definitely go check that out. But today we're going to be doing the Ruby on Code School because, as you know, they're all pretty different. So we're just gonna be doing this one. So let's start. Okay, so this is the Try Ruby, which is the free course at the beginning. We're gonna start with this one, and then you can see that they have 10 courses on Ruby. I don't know about these other ones. I know I've done this first one. So let's do this one. So we're gonna do level 1, then the next episode is gonna be level 2. So let's do this one. Ruby is a programming language from Japan, and then it gives you a website when you can check some Ruby history, which I would recommend doing, which is revolutionizing the web. The beauty of Ruby is found in its balance between simplicity and power. Try out Ruby in the code prompt on the right. In the additional Ruby built-in methods, the following commands are available. So these are commands that Code School gives you to make your life easier. They're pretty self-explanatory. Clear is to clear out the cache of your screen, so like if you have a whole bunch of stuff here, you can clear it out if your computer's pretty slow. Help is to start it. Next is to go to the next lesson, and back is to go to the lesson previous. So let's do help to start it. So using the prompt, the window on the right is a Ruby prompt. Here you'll be able to type a line of Ruby code. Hit enter to watch it run. For the first bit of Ruby, try doing some math. Alright, so we're just gonna do some math. And then it just gives you the answer. Great, you did a bit of math. See how the answer was returned? Ruby uses a fat arrow for responses to your entries. Ruby recognizes numbers and mathematics operators. You could try doing some math and then it just shows you some math. Even though we've placed a space between the numbers and the operators above, it's not required. For now, stick with this basic operation. We'll try a few others later. When you're finished, click next. Okay, so just do next. This is just some basic stuff. You don't even have to read through this. I'm just reading through this for you guys. Well, you already know that computers are handy and fast for math, but what about something really useful, like say seeing letters on your names reversed? To do that super cool task, let's first get you familiar with text in Ruby. First, type your first name in quotes, so I'm just gonna use a random letter. And then this is like the introduction to methods right here. So we're just gonna do this really quick. Okay, and then now it's gonna teach us how to reverse it. So it's gonna the reverse method is just dot reverse in front of what you are your string. So like quotation marks are really important. So you would put like the name again, and then dot reverse, and that's a method. Reverse, and then it would reverse the name. And then for you guys that have the slow browsers, here's where you could use clear, and then it would just completely clear it out. So you have used the reverse method on your name. By enclosing your name in quotes, you have made it a string. Next, you used a dot to access the hidden list of methods that belong to all strings. In this case, then you called it reverse method. There's only a few methods. There's not like a whole bunch. Like you can't just use a method on everything. There's not a method for everything. So now we're gonna use length to find out the number of characters in a certain name. So like let's just a longer name. this should break. Oh wait, whoops. So then now we do dot length, which is another method, and then it tells us how much numbers. What? Oh yeah, again, quotation marks are really important. I forgot to put that first one. That works. Dot length, and then it gives us the number, so 7. And then now we can multiply the number of letters in our name by just in quotation mark, then the name, and then dot. I mean, you would do it like you're multiplying something regular. And there, we finished our first level. So this was a pretty short video because first levels are normally pretty short. So then now from here, if you want to close it out, then you just do that, and we're back on the first page. So thank you guys for watching. If you liked, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for the next episode. And yeah, we'll see you guys next time.